Hello, this is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises. Today we are going to tell you some applications of cartridge valves. Today we find logic elements applied in the drive and control of presses, injection molding and die casting machine tools, especially in broaching machines. Further applications are in steel industry, mobile hydraulic. Application in these areas has resulted from the specific requirements of these installations and the characteristics of logic elements. They are only applied where economic and where technical advantages over conventional hydraulic products are to be found. Each case must therefore be studied individually. The main advantage of logic elements can be listed as follows: large flow range, compact installation dimension, directional pressure and flow control valve functions or multiple functions within a single unit, pressure tight sealing dependent upon the control, extremely short operational times possible, gentle operation possible, minimum pressure peaks possible, unlimited holding time possible, minimum wear, long service life, high functional reliability, low sensitivity to dirt, practically no power limits, high permissible operating pressure, standardized installation and dimensions. Due to the complexity of modern pilot control and without closer knowledge of the characteristics of these elements, understanding and judging these advantages is very difficult. This gives rise to the saying which was once made in connection with logic elements. Logic elements are both famous and infamous. One can do practically anything with them, but they do practically anything they wish if the one does not understand their characteristic. Thank you. This is Adnan Sanni. And application of cartridge valves. My WhatsApp number is 00923124225402. 24/7 365 days free hydraulic helpline. This video is compliment to Mr. Harry Vickers for initiating Messrs. Vickers Hydraulic Company in Detroit. God bless Mr. Harry Vickers. Thank you.